What does a vegan buy at Chinese markets? I'm going to show you what I get at the 99 Ranch Market. So come with me. Fresh produce is always in great shape here, and it's way cheaper than Whole Foods. Today I grabbed some lemongrass for a Thai soup I'm making. The mushroom section is incredible. Today I picked up some enoki mushrooms. And 99 Ranch is the only place where I can consistently find these giant king oyster mushrooms. I've turned them into bacon, giant scallops, even Korean-style vegan squid. Across from the produce is a frozen vegetarian specialty section. But be warned, a lot of it contains milk and egg. If you're vegan, read the labels. This is vegan fish tofu, and it does a surprisingly good job mimicking the flavor and texture of traditional fish cakes. You don't have to run to Trader Joe's for scallion pancakes. The ones at 99 Ranch are flakier, crispier, and way more delicious. The frozen section also has some vegan goodies, including frozen bao and veggie dumplings. Rice paper is an essential pantry item for me. I usually grab either the Flying Horse or the Three Ladies brand. I also picked up some vermicelli rice noodles for a recipe I'm working on. I could spend an hour talking about the sauces alone, but here are a few of my favorites. Ponzu, soy sauce, dark soy sauce when I want to crank up the umami, and let's not forget the often imitated, never duplicated, hottest grandma in China, Laogan Ma Chili Crisp. They make a bunch of varieties, but I always stick with the OG Chili Crisp. Now it's about to get interesting. They got this canned mock duck made with wheat gluten, vegan curry mock abalone, seitan tidbits, even vegan chicken in a can. Believe it or not, these old school wheat gluten meats are actually pretty good, especially when you cook them with fresh ingredients. Right above them, I found some vegan kimchi in a can. Over by the soup aisle, I always grab this mushroom powder by Lee Kum Kee. I throw it in a ton of recipes whenever I want a rich, meaty, savory flavor. If you're really committed, they even sell a super tanker size. I haven't used these mushroom pellets enough myself, but I know plenty of vegan chefs who swear by them. This company makes fantastic vegan soup bases, including vegan pho and vegan curry broth. Just add water and you got a flavorful soup in minutes. Also, dried mushrooms and seaweed build incredible homemade broths. In this aisle, I even found S&B Heat and Eat curry with plant-based protein. I always stock up on tapioca starch because so many vegan recipes call for it. They also carry mung beans for Korean-style pancakes, Indian dishes, and I make vegan eggs with them. When I'm making tofu from scratch, this is where I buy my soybeans. Speaking of tofu, there are many different varieties here. Living in LA, House Foods brand is still my personal favorite. They even carry pre-fried tofu from Thon Sung Tofu, one of my favorite local Vietnamese tofu makers. You can also find dried tofu skin in the pantry aisle, but I usually grab fresh prepared tofu skin from the refrigerator section, along with some plant-based bao. I mean, they may not have everything, but they definitely have a lot of great stuff. I want you guys to go ahead and tell me what you like to buy at Chinese markets. And maybe you can inspire me to try some new things. Thanks for watching.